Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. Alright, so we're doing this video on P0316. This is the trouble code. If you guys have this code, definitely drop a comment. If you guys have this code, stay tuned. Alright, we're going to go through what this code means and how you guys can fix your car. So if you guys have this code, guys probably have a check engine light. I'm pretty sure you guys had a check engine light, and this code is engine misfire detected on startup for the first 1,000 revolutions. So essentially, if you guys don't know what this code is, it essentially means that your car's computer picked up a misfire on one or more of the engine cylinders on startup. Essentially, the PCM, which is the car's computer, checks the engine's first 1,000 revolutions, and if it detects a misfire correlated to the camshaft or crankshaft during that time, it'll set this P0316 code. And essentially, if you guys have this happen to your vehicle, the car's computer might disable the misfiring cylinder to keep it from causing any further damage. And essentially what it'll do is it'll probably give you another code as to where the misfire is coming from. So essentially, the PCM detects that the position of either the crankshaft or camshaft is outside of the set parameters that they're supposed to operate in. So the PCM uses the information it gets from the crankshaft's position, the camshaft's position, and the rotations per minute of the engine to calculate the timing of the ignition and fuel delivery to the motor. And a misfire can occur if any of these components are off. So, what are the symptoms of the misfire? If you guys have this misfire, you probably have a decrease in performance of your car's engine and reduced acceleration, and you probably have either a couple misfires or multiple random misfires, and you could encounter a rough idle when the car is turned on and stopped, harsh acceleration. Any of those things could occur. Now, this code is kind of considered a severe code, seeing as how it's a misfire of your engine, and you guys should probably figure out what the problem is as soon as possible, so that your engine could operate as properly as normally as possible. You probably wouldn't want to be driving with this code. It'll be driving pretty rough. It'll be probably idling really rough. It'll probably consistently have misfires, which will cause you to have a very rough ride. And if you guys keep on driving like this, you might damage your engine. So if you guys want to diagnose this code, what you guys want to do is, before you guys swap out any components, you guys want to actually check out if there's any codes associated with this. Obviously, any issues with the camshaft, the crankshaft sensor is going to throw another code, and you could have possibly low fuel pressure that could cause this, and vacuum leaks could also cause a situation like this. And what you guys want to do is, you guys might also want to check out the fuel injectors, the EGR valve, which could throw another code outside of this, and the cat converter, if it's clogged, could cause this issue. So that's what you guys want to look for if you guys have this code. It's not a very difficult code problem to fix, considering this P0316 code is essentially a generic code for the misfire on startup, but essentially it's going to have most of the time it's going to have multiple codes telling you what's actually causing the situation. You might have to change out, for the most part, the camshaft, the crankshaft sensor. Possibly a couple other things you guys might look for. The EGR valve, if you guys have a code for that. Spark plugs, fuel injectors, if it's giving you a code for a specific cylinder. In any case, if you guys have had this situation, have had this situation fixed, definitely feel free to drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether what you guys did to fix it. I might help somebody else out. But please subscribe. Please definitely comment. Please give me a thumbs up if this video has helped you guys out in any way. All right, guys, appreciate your time. Hope your car issues are fixed. All right, guys, take care.